going on, y'all? It's Ranger Dude here, and today I'll be showing you how I did a mirror swap, a 06 mirror swap on my 97 Ranger. They're power mirrors, and they do in fact work. No problem, super easy. I bought these capped ones. You can buy ones without these shiny caps on them, but I bought this capped one because hopefully at some point I will be able to take these off and get them color matched to the body. So yeah, let me show you how I did this. All right, so what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a screwdriver. Should be just a Phillips, like something like a frickin', I don't know, I think this one will work, maybe that one if I remember correctly. And then a small, I think it was a small metric socket of some sort to get the actual, there's 3 in here, but I don't remember what size, so let's take a look. All right, first there's 2 screws under here. You can see them right here and right here. They're all Phillips. You're gonna take those out, and then you're also gonna take out, there's a Phillips in here, but I actually ended up accidentally breaking the inside of it. So for me, this Phillips doesn't exist, but on both doors there'll be a Phillips in there. And roll the window down because that's helpful. All right, next, this guy is gonna come out and pops gently and kind of wiggle it and pull up. That comes out. There's a screw right here you're gonna take out. Can't do it one-handed while I'm holding the camera. Anyways, all right, from here you can go ahead and lock your door. That screws out, and then you're just gently, if you want, you can actually completely take this thing off by popping all of these like switch modules out, but I've actually been able to get the door or the panel on and off without it. So reach down under here and pull up. See if I can do this one-handed. I'm gonna reach down and pull up on the door. There it goes. And then it comes out. And then let's take this guy. All right, well, let's see this here. Hang on. So we're gonna go right here. Right? Put this right there. Boom. It's out. Right? Then you're going to take these guys out in here, all 3 of these, and then this guy will come off. Alright, it's a 11 millimeter. Where's my daggum? It's 11 millimeter, and go ahead and take all these out. Oh, I got that one in there tight. Oh, there it goes. Alright, so see if you guys can check out what I did here. Don't mind this this frickin', is that pretty dark? It might be dark. So this foam thing here is supposed to, there it goes. It's supposed to help with, well, I don't really know what, but my buddy kind of tore it up when we got it because he thought it was garbage. He was like, no, that needs to go in there. That's like a dampener. Anyways, so check this out, right? Son of a bitch. Excuse my language. There. So there was a plug on this side and there was a plug on this side, and those plugs did not match. So what I ended up doing, right, this is a 97 Ford Ranger. This is the driver's side door. The driver's side door is red, blue, and yellow. Both of these daggum mirrors come with, see if you can see that. Ooh, easy now. Green, purple, and yellow. I wish I could tell you which one goes to which, but I don't remember because I made a mess here, but it works. So I just connected them, and then I tried to protect it with this tape here. What I did is I cut the plugs off of both ends, and then I just gently tied each one together, and then played with the remote on the inside and played with it, turn on and see if the mirror would move. And like at one point I got it where up down was making the mirror go left right and vice versa, and then it wouldn't work. And anyways, enough playing. There's only so many combinations that this creates here. It'll work. And the second thing you're gonna need to do is these studs here are gonna be sticking out like another, God, almost a full half inch out further away, this plastic. What I did is these are just self-tapping, or they're threaded on the other side. So I took these off, I don't remember what size these are, took all three of these out, and then took a Dremel and flattened it and cut those nubs off all the way down to whatever level this outer ring was here. There's a little nub, right? And then just started these and worked them back in, and got them in there, and it fits fine. And then, you know, it goes in these holes here. But yeah, just cut the plugs off each end and then play with the wiring. The passenger side door is different. The mirrors are the same, but the door is different. It's like green, blue, and white over there, or something stupid. I should have wrote down which one's which, but hindsight's 20/20. Yeah, play with it, make this look nicer than I did, and then don't throw this away. This is a part of it, you know, it goes freaking on there. Try to protect the door a little bit, cut down on some sound. So yeah, that's that. 06 mirror on a 97 Ford Ranger. So that's how I did that. I think it looks pretty nice. So freaking lines up really nicely. There's no weird gaps or nothing. I got these off of Amazon. You know, see it, look at that. It's like it was stock. So works real good. Oh, that window's gonna need to get replaced soon. That motor in there. 06 mirrors, 97 Ranger. Get her done.